Hey traders, so let's start our week with our daily analysis, starting with nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil. Starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? So as mentioned in my last video, in my weekends video, if you have seen that, I've already mentioned these zones for all three platforms, for Oanda, for Capital.com and from Nemex. It hit on the both platform on Oanda and Capital.com. Now we had a hit of the zone and the pullback was expected. After the hitting of this zone, we had a two red candles of a pullback. Now we still didn't get any sort of entry at this area of value. What does it mean? It means that if there is no entries, we are not taking any trades. So for now, let's say if this candle in next few minutes closed as the bullish engulfing candle, in that case we have a valid buy signal and the targets will be again one ATR. ATR is number 6, which is high at this point. Looks like the nat gas has good volume these days, so if we have this candle closed above the previous candle, we can expect at least 6 points push up for the initial targets, and then you can manage it wherever you want to manage your trades. So that's what I'm looking at. If we have a candle closed as a bullish engulfer, we have a buy signal. If not, then we can still get a hit of 50% retracement, which is right here. I've mentioned in my yesterday's video. In case you missed it, is 3.067. This is my buffer zone, 50% to 25% retracement, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades, aggressive entry from 50% retracement, otherwise buy trade with bullish engulfer within this area of value at zone that was previously a resistance. It can come back and retest the zone right here, the number in blue, have these zones on the charts, so that once we have a candle pull back to the zone, we are good to go long. For now, I'm looking for this candle, if not closed as a bullish engulfer, I look for 50% retracement, and then that will be my limit order. Or if you want to enter in a less aggressive way, I want to see few more red candles followed by bullish engulfing candle, must be above 50 EMA. In that case, we have good entry. Now sometime the price also push up from 786 retracement, that also act as a good support. I've not tested 786 retracement massively, but I've seen the price reacts nicely from 786 retracement as well. But I'll still pay attention to 50% retracement for my entries, or a bullish engulfing pattern for my entries must be above 50 EMA. And again, the sell trades will be from the zone above, which is right here. In case you missed, this zone is 3.298, goes up to 3.433, from where we're going to enter our sell trade with conditions only. And what are my conditions? It is bearish engulfers or double top entry confirmation, 382 candle inverted hammers. All these are my bearish entry conditions, so keep an eye out for both conditions. Once we have that, we are good to go short or long. So overall, we have a very strong bullish momentum on nat gas, and this could be just a pullback from this area of value. It is likely after a good pullback, price will head higher, and this is not even a major zones. It is a minor zones. The major zone is way up there. I've mentioned in my yesterday's video is right here in this area. That is an area from where I'll be looking for my reversal trades. And if you have a pullback with condition, then we have another signal that nat gas will take off from here again to the next level. Exactly the same on Capital.com. I just want to give you the zone in case you are brand new here on this channel. Trend continuation zone is right here, the number in blue, and the resistance level is right here, which is the minor resistance, is right here, the number in blue. So all I'm looking at, a pullback or a close of this candle as a bullish engulfer, or 50% retracement for my aggressive entry, or less aggressive way with a bullish engulfing candle after good pullback of few red candles. So that is what I'm looking at, or retest of this zone followed by bullish engulfer. So I'm just looking for my buy trades, not selling as long as the price is trading above 50 and 20 EMA both. Here on Nemex, if you are trading on this platform, just want to give you the zones again in case you're new here. Right here the number in blue, and right here the number in blue for resistance level. Have these zones, otherwise the conditions are the same I've just mentioned for my entries. Right, next one we have gold. So we have a nice push out of gold. I've clearly mentioned that once this candle closed as a bullish engulfer, as you can see, it fully engulfs the wick as well, but that was a big candle. That's why I wanted to enter few pips below with a 50% of its candle. But if you entered at the close of this candle, that was also a valid entry, but I choose not to enter at the close. I wanted to enter at the pullback, but I missed this entry. That is totally fine. But if you have entered this trade, then it's also a valid condition. It's a valid aggressive entry. If you are a student or if you are in my priority group, you know these type of entries. You have seen this type of entries in the trade alert. Let me show you what I've said in my last video so that you can understand conditions and entries. So that is what I'll be looking at. I'll be entering at the 50% retracement. That is my own choice, and if you want to enter at the close, that is totally up to you. But I can see we have a valid condition for gold. I'm now expecting a push up at least $8. If I have a pullback, I will enter here and then I will look 50 EMA closely. Nice one. So we have a good push up from the major area of value. We've been waiting from last couple of weeks, and now we are above 50 EMA. For now, I still want to see a break above this candle with a pullback followed by bullish engulfer. So I'm only going to look for long trades from now. If this candle closed as a bullish engulfer, not a very big bullish engulfer, but if closed as a bullish engulfer, let's say somewhere here, in that case we still have a buy signal, and we have a condition that price will likely push up at least $8 from here, that is what the ATR is telling me. That is how I personally take my trades. So I'm still looking for a good conditions, which is at least I want to see a break above this candle, then a pullback followed by bullish engulfer. I keep on taking longs, and the next zone to sell is right up there, which is 1889.31 goes up to 1907.01, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trades, bearish engulfers or my double top entry pattern, and 382 candles, inverted hammers. All these are my bearish trade. For now, I'm just looking for buying opportunity because we are above 50 EMA. All I want to see a push up, good momentum over 50 EMA with a pullback, bullish engulfers, and keep on taking my long trades. Next one we have silver. Silver is now at 50 EMA right here. I've mentioned that we can get a pullback from here. So for now, I'm still waiting for the price to give me some condition. So I want to see a break above this high and then a pullback followed by bullish engulfers, and keep on taking longs until I see some sort of condition within this area of value. I won't be expecting a big push down, but just some pullbacks. If we have a push up in this zone followed by a good bearish engulfing candle, if that happens, I'm only going to look for some pullbacks before the price can head higher. So that is what I'm looking at for silver. I'm looking for conditions. We do not have any sort of condition for buy and sell. I'm just looking for buy condition after a break of this high with a pullback, or if we have a push up without any buying condition followed by bearish engulfing candle. If we have that, I'm going to enter my trades accordingly. Last one we have crude oil. Crude oil is pushing up nicely. As mentioned in my last video, we had a massive push up, a report sent to the members as well with this bullish engulfing candle. That was a weak entry, but that was a valid entry as we had the oversold situation in the RSI that massively pushed the price higher. Now at this point I'm paying attention to this minor zone, which is right here in blue. If you want to plot these zones, I want to see a hit of this zone. If we have a conditions like bearish engulfer, in that case I'm going to take my sell trade, or double top, in that case I'm going to take my sell trade. So I'm only going to look for my buy trades once we are completely broken above 50 EMA, above this zone as well, and then with some pullbacks followed by bullish engulfers, and keep on taking long. I'll keep you guys updated in my upcoming videos. For now, I'm just paying attention to this zone here. If we have a condition for sell like a bearish engulfer, so double top, I'm going to enter my sell trades only. So keep an eye. I'm not looking for buy for now, looking for next conditions. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.